Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time of my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I will share with you how I achieved this lovely DIY crochet French coils. I've already DIY the crochet hair before, so now what I'm doing now is just to section my hair. I'm going to section it into two, so the back will be for crocheting. So there's 3 steps in this DIY hair tutorial. If you want to crochet, the step is there. If you want to braid direct from your hair, the step is there. And again, if you want to braid direct, then after you coiling it, the step is in this video. So keep on watching this amazing tutorial. You can see what I'm doing. I'm curling my hair to the back, guys. My hair really, as in, how would I put it, I really regret relaxing my hair. That is the reason why I've not been doing tutorial with my hair. After relaxing my hair, I was experiencing a huge fallout, as in, you're going to see the front, what the front looks like. It's even growing now. It's better than before now. Yes, it's better. That is why I can do a tutorial for you guys. So you can see, just curling my hair, just curling it to the back. My hair is not the same length, so in case if you see anything picking out from the side or anywhere, it's just the damage. My hair is just coming back to normal. I'm trying to be on natural journey again, so try to understand that part, guys. So you can see now I've already unrolled the back where we are going to be crocheting the crochet French coils. So now I'm just showing you guys the French coils, both French coils we are going to use. This is the first one I'm going to use. The one we've already pre-coiled the coils, then we did a DIY crochet hair. Is on my YouTube channel. Check out for the video. It's the last tutorial I upload. So if you want to understand this tutorial, you have to watch the first one I uploaded. That is the DIY crochet French coils. So now this is the second one. I'm just crocheting it. I love starting my crochet from the middle, then later if the crochet hair, if it's remaining, then I'll go back to crochet the space I left at the back. Please guys, if you're enjoying this video, which I know you're enjoying, kindly please like, subscribe and share with your loved one. Please, I really appreciate each and every one of you, returning subscriber, new subscriber. If you've not subscribed, I really appreciate. Please consider by subscribing to this amazing channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. So now we are done crocheting. I really, as in, I love the DIY crochet. Then after I finish braiding, then I coil the tip. I love that method because the coils was really bouncing. You are going to see what I'm trying to. I love the method. So now I'm going to use shine and jam. Can you see my hair at the front? Some are longer, some are shorter. It's even better now, guys. It's better. So now this is not a normal, it's a normal braiding hair, but I've already processed it. It's very sleek and shiny. So this is not normal braiding. It's normal and it's not normal. It's normal braiding hair in the sense that I process this myself before I use it to braid. If you want to understand what I'm trying to say, you need to watch that crochet French coils braid, because that was the remaining hair I'm using to braid my hair. The way I process it before using it to achieve that crochet French coils, that is the same step I use in achieving this one also. So try to watch that video so that you're going to understand. As I said on that my crochet tutorial, tie the roots 3 times. Now we are going to section our hair. Then the one I'm using at this part is different. The one I'm going to use to braid, I'm using the one I've already pre-coiled. I want you to see how it looks like, that you can use that one also to braid your hair. That was why I said we have 3 tutorials in this one video. We have crochet, we have pre-coil, and we have the one we've not coiled. Anyone you want will work perfectly fine. Anyone, choose your choice. So you've already see this is the pre-coil one I'm going to be using to braid now. Guys, I did not even use up to 4 hours in achieving this gorgeous hairstyle. I was even standing up to go and attend to the kids. It was not up to 4 hours. The hairstyle is a bomb. Mwah. I would advise you, if you want to use this to braid on your hair, you should process 3 pack of Xpression hair. I did cut two. Meaning I cut the Xpression hair into two. You understand? So because I crochet the back, so I use only 2 pack. But if you are not crocheting the back, I think 3 pack. You have to use 3 pack. So that is just it. So now this part, I'm just showing you guys how I section my hair. I just section everything to the back, then I start dividing section by section. You can use this to do a knotless braid. How I wish I could do a knotless braid, but my hair, some are not long, they are not equal. It was so painful. So that is why I'm using this method to hold it. You understand? I wish I could do knotless braid, but some parts are very short. So that is just it. You can use it to do knotless braid. It's a DIY French coils braid, so you can use it for knotless. Now we are done. Can you see the roots? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Now we are going to coil the tip. We are going to be using mousse and the hair coiler or hair rollers, anyone. Then you have to drag the tip. The length should be the same, because the back will be kind of shorter than the front, so you have to drag the tip to be the same. Then flat throw, guys, please do not twist throw. If you twist throw, it's going to give you another pattern of coils. Flat throw, the main reason why we use mousse to keep the excess away. Then dip this into the hot water. Be careful when doing this, please be very careful. You can see I'm doing that section by section. Then the air has already passed through a lot of hot water, which means we've already dipped this air into the hot water twice. It's going to dry, so add oil or add sheen to moisturize the tip, you understand. Then cut the excess, cut it off. I didn't use mousse to the tip. I think mousse is just allowing the coils to fall, so I didn't use mousse. I just used oil sheen to keep the coils, to add some shine. Oh my god, the final look. This hair is a bomb. My hubby was like, this hair is so beautiful. When he came back from work, he was like, this hair is so beautiful. People, they are just looking at this hair. Who did this? I did it. You did it. Wow, so beautiful. This hair is so beautiful. At this side, I'm just showing you different way you can rock it. Oh my god, this hair is so lightweight. Can you see the coils? the coils is really giving. The coils is bouncing. I'm showing you the back. Look at the coils. The coils is really giving. The coil is bouncing. You can style it anyhow you want it.